How to fix Facebook follow limit reached. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix follow limit reached on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The issue over here is very simple. Let's say that you open up Facebook and then you've been simply searching for a specific profile or a page, and then you've been trying to follow them, but then it simply says that your follow limit has basically reached. Why does this happen? Well, you have to understand one thing first. Facebook has a limitation of up to 5,000 friends and followings per a single account. So if you aren't being able to follow someone on Facebook, or if you aren't being able to add someone on Facebook as well, and if it says follow limit reached, it likely means that you have crossed the 5,000 following limit or the less. So that's simply the truth, and the only way to get around this, of course, is to go ahead and then basically unfollow some of the people. So if there are any of the pages that you are not interested in anymore, go ahead and try to unfollow them. Now sometimes this also happens because Facebook might have noticed a spammy or a robot-like behavior from your account. In that case, waiting up to 24 hours or maybe a couple of days might help you give that period, and then you should be able to follow them. But if not, you just have to unfollow some people and pages, and then you'll be able to go ahead and follow the new ones as well. Hope this video helped to answer the question as to how you can fix follow limit reached on Facebook. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.